Long-term care and hospice. How it benefits you and your residents. Unity Hospice and Palliative Care partners with long-term care facilities just like yours, including assisted living facilities, nursing homes, and memory care facilities. Remember, we aren't just a vendor. We are your partner. As your partner, we help your residents, you, and your bottom line. Let's first explore the benefits of how Unity Hospice helps your residents. Unity patients receive premier hospice care so that their last months and weeks are filled with care, comfort, and compassion. Unity patients can also benefit from life enrichment programs so that their end-of-life experience is meaningful for them and their families. Most importantly, families feel at ease knowing that their loved ones are getting an added layer of care and support. Providing more than just care for your residents, Unity also helps make your job easier. Unity staff are an extra set of eyes, ears, and hands to care for some of your most time-consuming residents. Unity Social Services can help you deal with complicated situations and family dynamics, as well as facilitating final arrangements. Unity representatives offer ongoing involvement with activities and events for all of your residents. And our Unity educators provide interesting and informative educational in-services for your staff on a variety of topics, as well as grief support if needed. In addition to helping you and your residents, Unity helps your bottom line. When referred timely, patients on hospice live on average 29 days longer than non-hospice patients, which helps maintain your census. Hospice patients are also less likely to be admitted to a hospital, which helps you avoid penalties for hospital readmissions and helps you avoid losing money on empty beds. Hospice patients have improved outcomes and satisfaction ratings, which helps you maintain your positive reputation in the community. When our at-home patients are in need of respite care, we refer to our partner care facilities as appropriate, as well as our hospital discharge patients. These are just a few ways how hospice benefits you and your residents. If you want to learn more, we're here for you. Contact us at 1-888-861-UNITY or visit us on the web at unityhospice.com.